IRS CP2000 Notice, what it means and how to respond. Did you open your mail and this time you found an IRS CP2000 Notice? Well, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. In this video, I'll explain what a CP2000 means, why you got it, and the steps you need to take right now to protect yourself. Hi, I'm tax attorney Chad Silver, founder of Silver Tax Group. I've been practicing tax law for 15 years, and it's the only thing my firm does. We live and breathe tax defense. My team and I have helped thousands of clients across the country resolve their toughest IRS problems. And here's our promise. We'll build your defense, we'll submit your defense, and we'll defend it if necessary. So what exactly is a CP2000 notice? This is not technically an audit, but it's a notice from the IRS saying they found a mismatch between the information they received, like W-2s, 1099s, 1099-Bs, and other income forms, and what you actually reported on your tax return. In plain English, the IRS thinks you underreported your income or overstated something in your return, and now they're proposing changes, which usually means they want money. Why'd you get it? You may get a CP2000 notice if a bank or employer reported more income than you included on your IRS 1040 personal income tax return. You forgot about a 1099 from freelance or side hustle work. You got a 1099 from investment income like dividends or stock sales and it didn't match your return. Or there was a reporting error outside of your control. It doesn't always mean you owe what the IRS says. Usually they're wrong. Who gets these notices the most? In my experience, certain taxpayers are more likely than others to see CP2000 mail in their mailbox. Freelancers and gig workers, OnlyFans models, people driving for Uber, DoorDash, other side jobs often get multiple 1099s. And if one gets missed, here comes the CP2000 letter. Also, small business owners and self-employed professionals, doctors, lawyers, consultants, realtors, anyone with multiple streams of 1099 income can get these often. Investors or traders, folks with stock sales, dividends, or cryptocurrency transactions. One reporting error and the IRS sends you a notice. Even retirees sometimes get them if pensions, Social Security, or IRA distributions don't line up with what was filed on your personal income tax form 1040. So if you're in one of these categories, a CP2000 notice is common, but it's still very, very serious. Let me give you a couple of real examples. We recently worked with a taxpayer who got a CP2000 claiming they owed over $120,000 because of mismatched stock reporting. After digging into the details, we discovered the IRS double counted certain transactions. We fought back, submitted the evidence, and reduced their bill to zero. In another case, a self-employed client got a CP2000 saying they underreported income by nearly $80,000. The IRS left out deductions and expenses that were legitimate. We rebuilt their case, rebuilt the return, submitted everything, and cut their liability down to a fraction of what the IRS originally demanded. These are the kinds of results we deliver every day. What to do next? Here's the key. The CP2000 is a proposal, not a final bill. You typically have 30 days to respond. If you agree, you can accept it and set up the typical payment arrangements and negotiate all sorts of installment agreements, OICs, or currently not collectible statuses. But if you disagree, you need to provide documentation to back up your case. But here's the mistake I see all the time. Taxpayers either ignore it, which turns it into an automatic tax bill with penalties and interest, or they rush to respond without fully understanding their rights. Both can cost you thousands. At Silver Tax Group, we handle CP2000 notices every day. We know exactly what the IRS is looking for, and we know how to protect you. Whether you owe or whether the IRS made a mistake, we could guide you through the process from start to finish, and in many cases, save you tens of thousands of dollars in the process. So if you received a CP2000, don't wait, take action today. Call us now at 855-900-1040 or visit us online at silvertaxgroup.com where our 24/7 live chat is available. I'm Chad Silver, tax attorney and founder of Silver Tax Group. Remember, we'll build the defense, we'll submit it, and we'll defend it if necessary. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tax tips. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.